Hello and good morning. Welcome to G3 Astro. Today in this video we are going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendant and the 7th house Kartatvas, which is marriage, type of marriage and the timing of the event. Please do subscribe to my channel for lessons in astrology. In this video we are going to see marriage type, what type of marriage and the timing of the event. The parameters are Lagna, Lagna Lord, 7th house Lord, Venus and Moon in the Rashi chart, Navamsha Lagna and the 7th house from the Navamsha Lagna. Please do remember that the Navamsha Lagna plays a very important part in the quality of marriage or a quality between husband and wife. Now, the repetition of the parameters are meant to be read again and again so that we have no confusions when we are looking at a specific event in the chart or in the native chart. When we look at the specific event of marriage, the houses that are considered are Lagna, Lagna Lord. In this chart, the Lagna is Sagittarius. No planet is posted in Sagittarius. Lagnadipati Jupiter is posted in the 8th house, is exalted and conjoined with Moon. Therefore, Lagna is well placed with no planet posted in it. The Lagnadipati is posted in the 8th. Yes, there is a considered negativity for the postment in the 8th, but being exalted, it cancels 99.9% of the negativity. Now, he is conjoined with Moon. Now, the Moon, we are also taking the consideration of the Moon. Now, Moon in turn is conjoined with the benefic. Now, let's look at 7th house. 7th house, Gemini, no planet is posted in Gemini. The 7th Lord Mercury is posted in the 12th house and is conjoined with Sun and Mars. Therefore, 7th house is clean, but the 7th Lord is conjoined with two malefics. First point to remember. But the conjunctions of all the three planets are aspected by Jupiter. Jupiter is exalted and his aspects are positive always. Therefore, he again negates the negativities that can happen to the 7th house Karatatvas. Now, let us look at Venus. Venus is posted in his own house in Libra, but is hemmed with on the either sides with malefics. Therefore, Venus is not really well placed. Now, when we look at the Navamsha Lagna is in the 11th house. Therefore, there is a gain to the native from the parameters of marriage. No planet is posted in the Navamsha Lagna, which is a positivity for the native. The 7th house from the Navamsha Lagna is also clean. Therefore, the quality of marriage of this native will be good. First, we have to look at the links. What are the links? Is there a link to 3, 5, 7, 9, 1? In this case, there is a link to the 7, that is Mercury, is linked to the 5th house Lord Mars and is linked to the 9th house Lord Sun, and is aspected by Lagna Lord. Since there is a link of these three planets or these three houses, the native could go in for a love or light and arranged marriage. Jupiter influences the parameters. Therefore, there will not be any runaway marriage. The third point is the 3rd house is not involved. So in this chart, since there is a link of 5, 7, 9, 1, the native will have like come arranged marriage. Now let us look at the timing of the event. She got the Venus Dasha in 1988. So Venus is a marriage giving Dasha. The 20-year Venus Dasha should give her marriage. Now Venus Dasha came in 1988. So let us look at, say, 2003-4, because she would be 26-27 years. Age group in India for young ladies would be between the age of 23 to 26-27. Venus Dasha, Mercury Bhukti, because Mercury is the 7th house lord. He is posted in the 2nd from the Dashanatha Venus. He is conjoined with Mars, which is the 5th lord, and conjoined with the 9th lord Sun. Therefore, Venus Dasha, Mercury Bhukti could be a best bet for the native to get married. The Venus Dasha Mercury Bhukti came in first March 2004. So the 1st March 2004, the native would be 26 years, the right age to get married, because there has been some negativities. There is a negativity because the 7th lord is involved with 2 malefic planets. Even though the Jupiter is aspecting, there has to be some dissatisfaction. Therefore, there could have been a slight delay. Now we should look at the transits to give us an answer whether she has the yoga to get married between 2004 to 2005. I have put the transit chart in front of you. In the year 2004 May, Jupiter is posted in Leo and Saturn is posted in Gemini. Therefore, the native will get married during this period of time, because Jupiter will aspect the Lagna as well as Saturn aspecting the Lagna from Gemini and from Leo. I hope this video was useful to you. Do like, share, subscribe. Follow me at G3 Astro. Signing off, Gayatri. Have a pleasant day. Bye-bye.